Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th standard exercise 3.6. Second problem in that small 2 problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men complete the embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. The same work 3 men and 6 men will complete in 3 days. So 2 men, 5 men in 4 days, 3 women, 6 men in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also the taken by 1 man alone. So at the starting of the problem, 2 women, 5 men and 3 women, 6 men, and finally he is asked to find out how many time taken to complete the same work by 1 woman and 1 man. We have to find 1 woman and 1 man at the end. Let's start the answer. So let the number of days taken by women be x. It is asked at the final of the problem that how many days taken by a woman, 1 woman and 1 man. So let the number of days taken by a woman be x and the number of days taken by a man be y. So number of days taken by 1 woman is x and by men is y. Now therefore observe the number of days taken by women is x. So therefore work done by a woman in 1 day. I will write like this: number of days taken by women is taken as x in number of days 1 day. In the same way, work done by a man in 1 day. Number of days taken by man is y. Number of days is y among this 1 day. So work done by a woman in 1 day is taken as 1 by x. Work done by a man in 1 day is taken as 1 by y. Now as per the question, so the work done by a woman in 1 day 1 by x, work done by man in 1 day is 1 by y. So 1 woman 1 day 1 by x. So work done by 2 women, here 2 women and 5 men. So I just take work done by 2 women in 1 day and work done by 5 men in 1 day. So 1 day is taken as 1 by x, number of women 2. So you can taken as 2 by x. In the same way, in 1 day means y into men 5, you can taken as 5 by y. Work done by 2 women in 1 day is 2 by x and work done by 5 men in 1 day is y by y. It is given that 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. If both join together, they will complete the work in 4 days. So I written like this: work done by both men and women, they will take 4 days, both men and women. But here I write like this: work done by both men and women in 1 day out of 4 days. It means in 4 days we have to take 1 day. So in 1 day. So let's look at the question. 2 women will complete the work in 2 by x. In the same way, work done by 5 men in 1 day 5 by y. So this is women's work done, it is the work done by men. So it is of 1 day and it is of also 1 day 2 women 5 men, and it is also 1 day both men and women. Therefore we can take like this: the women is taken as 2 by x and men is taken as 5 by y. If they join together, they complete the work in 1 by 4. This is the equation. In the same way, let's look the further lines of the problem. 3 women and 6 men in 3 days. 3 women is written as 3 by x. 6 men is taken as 6 by y. In 3 days is taken as 1 by 3. So now let's take one by x as p and 1 by y as q. Now I will take this one, 2 by x plus 5 by y equals 1 by 4. You can write 2 by x as 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equals 1 by 4. So 2 into 1 by x is p plus 5 into 1 by y means q equals 1 by 4. Take it as equation 1, or we can further simplify this equation just to remove the fraction here. Now we can do one thing, 2p plus 5q equals 1 by 4. Multiply whole equation by 4 to solve this fraction. So I will write 2p into 4 plus 5q into 4 equals 1 by 4 into 4. Now 2 into 4, 8p plus 5 4s 20q, 4 get cancelled, it is 1. Take it as equation 1. In the same way we can do it for the second equation also. What is that? 3 by x plus 6 by y equals 1 by 3. So you can write 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y equals 1 by 3. Now 3 as it is, 1 by x is nothing but p plus 6 1 by y is nothing but q equals 1 by 3. Now multiply the whole equation by 3 to remove this fraction. 3p into 3 plus 6q into 3 equals 1 by 3 into 3. Yes, 3p into 3, 9p plus 18q equals 3 get cancelled, 1. Take it as equation 2. So now we got equation 1 as 8p plus 20q equals 1, and second equation as 9p plus 18q equals 1. Now let's simplify this. This 9 here into 9 and this 8 here. 9 8s 72 please, 20, 9 2s 180q equals 9 1s 9, 8 9s 72p, 18 8s 144q, 8 1s 8. Now just change the signs, plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, 72p get cancelled, plus 180q minus 144q, unlike sign we have to subtract, we get 36q plus 9 minus 8, that is 1. Then q equals 1 by 36. Now let's find the answer for p. Now take any equation. I will select the first equation, this 8p plus 20q equals 1. 8p as it is, 20 into what is q, 1 by 36 equals 1. Now 8p plus 21 is 20 by 36 equals 1. Now 8p as it is, 1 as it is, bring this here, it becomes minus 20 by 36. Now let's take the LCM for this. For the LCM purpose you can take 1 here, 8p, and LCM for 1 and 36 is 36. I will do this here. First write 1 by 1 into 36, ignore the denominator 1, 36 ones are 36, 36 here, minus now the second one, 20 by 36 into 36, 36 get cancelled, what remains? 20. Now 8p equals 36 minus 20, that is 16 by 36. Then you can simplify this, both are divided by 4, 4 4s, 4 9s, so 8p equals 4 by 9. Now we can do the cross multiplication for this. If we do the cross multiplication, 8p into 9, 8 9s are 72. 72p equals 4. So p equals 4 by 72. If we divide, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 3 remains, 4 8s are 32. So p equals 1 by 18. Here we got the value q as 1 by 36 and p as 1 by 18. Now with the help of this, let's find the answer for x and y. Here x is taken as 1 by x equals p and 1 by y equals q. So 1 by x equals p. 1 by x, what p means? 1 by 18. Let's do the cross multiplication. X into 1, x, 18 ones are 18. So x is the answer. Then 1 by y equals q. 1 by y, what is q? That is 1 by 36. Do the cross multiplication, y ones are y, 36 ones are 36. So x is 18 and y is 36. What we assumed at the starting of the problem? Number of days taken by women, bx, it means what is x? 18. It means number of days taken by women is 18 and the number of days taken by men is 36. So I written the same things here. Number of days taken by a woman is 18 days and the number of days taken by a man is 36 days. This is the method to find the answer.